Okay, in today's video we will see how we allow or block applications to accessing internet. Okay, from this first press the window key and type control panel. Okay, go to control panel and after this go to systems and security. After that go to Windows Defender firewall. Now go to advanced setting. Now go to outbound rules. Okay, if you want to block any application, like in my system I have blocked three applications. First one is a PowerSoft free screen recorder, and it's another version or application, a PowerSoft video editor, and one for Skype. Okay, so if you want to allow this application, so double click. When you double click on this, then you will get this user interface. Now you can see here in the bottom, the bottom shows that the block the connection. Okay, here connection is blocked. If you want to allow, then click on allow. Okay, and then click on the apply button and then click on the OK. Then you will see here right check. Okay, check box. Okay, now I want to block this one again, then double click on this. Okay, now block the connection. If you want to secure the connection as per your requirement, then go for the allow the connection. If it is secure, allow the connection, whatever you want you just do. Okay, now I'm going to block this one. Okay, apply, then okay, then you can see this is blocked. Okay, you can go for the outbound rules, you can go for the inbound rules. You can block as per your requirements. Okay, whatever you want to do with the application. Okay, only you can here allow the connection for the internet and block the connection for the internet. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and like my video. Okay.